Today in Atlanta, Georgia, a former cop, a Hollywood star, and a tech firm all make headlines today, but not for reasons you'd expect. This is Dean Bark. Welcome to the City Report with Dean Bark, reporting live from Atlanta. All right, let's dive in. Kobe Minor, a former Atlanta police officer, sentenced to 29 years for the killing of Lyft driver Reginald Folks. Kobe Minor, once a trusted figure in law enforcement, now faces 29 years behind bars. This tragic incident happened back in May 2024, resulting in the death of 35-year-old Lyft driver Reginald Folks. Folks, a resident of Atlanta, was simply doing his job when this unfortunate event unfolded. Initially charged with murder, Minor managed to strike a plea deal, reducing the charge to voluntary manslaughter. It all went down in Fulton County Superior Court, where the atmosphere was heavy with emotion as the victim's family shared their heart-wrenching testimonies. This case brings to light the complexities of legal proceedings, especially when it involves one of their own from law enforcement. The plea deal may be contentious, but it was crucial for some form of justice to be served. You know, it's a tough pill to swallow for many, I'm sure. Moving on, a suspect in a DeKalb County double homicide was captured after an intense overnight manhunt. Stephen Christopher Mathis, a 25-year-old individual, was apprehended in Henry County following the murder of two people at East Perimeter Point Apartments. Authorities suspect the crime was domestic, which adds another layer of complexity to this already shocking event. The community is understandably shaken by the suddenness and brutality of this act, but credit where it's due. Law enforcement acted swiftly, capturing Mathis just hours after the tragic event. They're keeping mum on the relationship dynamics among the involved parties, but it does make you wonder, right? Swift justice is critical, but it raises questions about the underlying domestic issues that led to such violence. It's a stark reminder of the challenges faced by our law enforcement officers. Next up, actor Tyrese Gibson faces legal trouble over an animal cruelty charge in Buckhead. Tyrese Gibson, known for his roles in big Hollywood hits, surrendered to Fulton County Jail after an incident where his dogs allegedly killed a neighbor's pet. He was quickly released on a $20,000 bond. Now, this situation brings up questions about pet ownership responsibilities, doesn't it? The incident has, understandably, drawn attention from animal welfare advocates who stress the importance of responsible pet ownership to prevent such tragedies. It also highlights the legal implications when celebrities are involved in criminal cases. Fame doesn't exempt anyone from the responsibilities of pet ownership. Just a friendly reminder, folks. Shifting gears, a detention officer from Fulton County Jail was hospitalized after being attacked by an inmate. The officer, whose name remains undisclosed, was assaulted on the morning of October 6th and is currently recovering at Grady Memorial Hospital. Sheriff Pat Labatt made it a point to visit the hospital, which underscores the serious nature of the incident. You can bet this isn't a typical day on the job, even for a detention officer. The attack brings attention to the safety concerns faced by detention officers daily. Correctional facilities must address these security issues to protect their staff. Luckily, despite the attack, the officer is expected to make a full recovery. Protecting our detention officers must be a priority to prevent such dangerous incidents. All right, next topic. Massive layoffs hit Atlanta's Cardlytics Inc. as part of cost-cutting measures. Cardlytics Inc., a marketing software firm headquartered at Ponce City Market, announced the layoff of 120 employees. This move impacts nearly a third of the company's workforce, reflecting broader economic pressures on the tech industry. You know, it's not just about numbers, it's about people's lives and their livelihoods. The layoffs raise concerns about the local job market and the future of tech employment in Atlanta. Employees face uncertainty as they navigate this challenging economic climate. It's a stark reminder of the volatility present in today's tech sector. These layoffs are a harsh reality for many, showing the precarious nature of tech jobs today. This has been the City Report with Dean Bark, keeping you informed in Atlanta. Stay safe and join us again tomorrow for more news.